Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a staircase in AutoCAD. So we have such model here and I'm gonna show you how to create similar products based on this model. First of all, we should draw base frame. Usually the frame is made of concrete. After that, we should cover the frame with wood. There are two ways to create a frame in AutoCAD after measurements. First is to create lines and extrude it. Let's make a cover for this frame. Draw the stair here. Let's make a fillet for this stair. Creating riser here. Let's make a slot for it with some gaps. Hiding this slot. And this is the basic principle of making stair. Now let's copy this stair with the riser. But we have one important moment here. When you copy it, you should check that height of the stair with the riser must be the same. I have it here 200 millimeters. If it have different dimensions, it will be not ergonomic to climb the stairs. Different dimension may be on the first and the last stair. So, we're creating stairs with the perfect dimensions, but base frame never could be perfect. So, we should compensate for height with some different materials. After that, we should glue the slats in visible places to hide the gaps. Here they are. We make this part from two different parts and connect them with a key. Here you can see the way how it connects. Here we have this detail with a riser to hide the wall. Also, we have such baluster here. We have some rules about dimensions between balusters. The distance should be such that the head of the small child does not fit through. There is a standard for it, but it's less than 200 millimeters. But at the discretion of the client, of course. After we create balusters, we should draw a handrail. And then we lift this handrail in 900 millimeters, for example. And let's draw some columns here. Our baluster has carved part and straight, as you see. The straight section is done with a reserve. And then we slice baluster by handrail. We should notice that the straight bottom section should be the same in all balusters, and straight top section could be various. And here on the second floor we have standard height of the handrail. And now we can use special plugins that I already told you about to create drawings for production. For example, we can make this baluster from this file already. We can send this file to CNC lathe. Also, we can send all these details on CNC machine 2 or making drawings for each detail to make it manually, like I'll show you now. Here we can mark some dimensions. As you can see, it's not taking a lot of time to create this staircase. In my experience, installation of this staircase can take only 2 days. But without such a project, installation will take about 2 weeks. So, if you want to learn how to work productively and quickly, how to learn all special ways to do this, I'm glad to welcome you to our course. Follow the link in the description under the video and become a professional in your field. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next videos.